travel outside India through a travel agent, or if you have to send remittance outside India, then be prepared to pay more than the expected amount. Why? You ask. Watch the video till the end to get an answer. Hello everyone, I am Saloni from Webtel. In this video, I am going to discuss the applicability of the new revised rate of TCS with the effect from 1st October 2023. All information about the payment applicable for the TCS and other important points to be remembered. So stay tuned, and before starting this video, I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel Webtel Electrosoft to get regular compliance updates. Let's start with the detailed information about the TCS on LRS. For this, I am taking you to my screen.
Higher TCS from 5% to 20% in case of foreign tour packages and LRS, which will be effective from 1st October 2023. A circular number 10 has been issued by the CBDT, in which they stated that there is an increase in the rate of the tax collection from 5% to 20% for the remittance under LRS as well as for the purchase of the overseas tour packages. Let's understand about the liberalized remittance scheme. If I talk about the liberalized remittance scheme, then it allows the resident individuals to remit a certain amount of money during the financial year to another country for the investment, and the limit which has been specified under LRS scheme is $250,000 in a financial year. And this LRS scheme is available to all the resident individuals, including all the minors as well as the students. Let's understand about the availability of this LRS scheme. So this LRS scheme is available to all the resident individuals of India, and these are the criteria in which a liberalized remittance scheme will be available. The citizen must have an Indian bank account as well as a PAN number and a passport, and they can use the remitted amount for the educational, business, personal, medical, or for the other purposes. Let's understand TCS under LRS system. There are three types of nature of payments on which LRS scheme will be applicable. So first one is LRS for the education financed by a loan. If the amount is up to 7 lakh, then no TCS will be collected, and in case if the amount increases 7 lakh, then 0.5% tax will be collected in case of the education loan financed by any financial institution. Then comes LRS for the medical treatment, which is not financed by any financial institution. If the amount is up to 7 lakh, then no TCS will be collected. If the amount increases above 7 lakh, then 5% tax will be collected. And in case of other purposes as well, if the amount is up to 7 lakh, then no TCS will be collected. And in case the amount increases 7 lakh, then at the rate of 5% TCS will be collected. Let's talk about the revised rate, which will be effective from 1st October 2023. So in the case of LRS for education financed by a financial institution through the loan, then the rate will be up to 7 lakh, nil TDS will be collected, and if the amount increases 7 lakh, then at the rate of 0.5% tax will be collected. And in case of medical treatment, if the amount is up to 7 lakh, then no TCS will be collected, and if the amount increases 7 lakh, then 5% tax will be collected in case of medical treatment and education. And in case of the other purposes, no TCS will be collected if the amount is up to 7 lakh. But in case if the amount increases more than 7 lakh, then up to 30th September the TCS will be collected at the rate of 5%. and the rate will be increased to 20%, which will be effective from 1st October 2023. And a higher rate of 20% will not be applicable to the LRS for medical and educational purposes. This is only for the other purposes, excluding the medical and educational purposes. Then comes the TCS on booking international trip packages. A TCS will also be applicable in case of overseas tour packages, and TCS on the remittance for booking an international trip packages, not applicable on the individual part of the packages, and the payment by the credit card is not the mid of the TCS collection, and a 5% TCS will be collected in case of the international tour packages. So the new revised rate for the purchase of the overseas tour package will be up to 30th September, 5% tax will be collected and 20% tax will be collected, which will be effective from 1st October 2023, which has been specified in the circular number 10 by the government department. Some important point that should be kept in mind while providing the details of the TCS are: no TCS applicable on the credit cards spent outside India. If PAN is not linked with the Aadhaar, then PAN will become inoperative and TCS would be charged at the higher rates. And the specified person or known PAN or an operative PAN, TCS will be collected at the rate of 5% or the double of the normal TCS. Or it can be subjected to the tax collection at the rate of 20%. Whichever will be higher will be collected as a tax from the buyer. Let's understand who is a specified person as per the TCS. Specified person means a person who satisfy both the conditions. If he or she not furnished ITR for the assessment year preceding the financial year in which tax is required to be collected, or if their tax has been collected more than 50,000 in the previous year, then the person will be considered as a specified person. So these are the changes which will be effective from 1st October 2023 in case of the TCA.
I hope you have understood that revised rates are applicable from 1st October 2023 and have a significant implications for everyone involved in overseas transactions. It's essential to be aware of these revised rates and exemptions to ensure compliance with the new regulations. Share this video with your friends and colleagues for better understanding. I am sharing the link to you. If you found this video helpful, then visit the link mentioned in the description below and let us know in the comment section if you have any doubts. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Next Tuesday, we will be coming up with another interesting video to improve compliances for you. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned with us for a better compliance journey.